In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a location on WhatsApp. So we're going to start by heading over to the WhatsApp application and then selecting the contact that you want to share your location with. From the bottom left-hand side, click on the plus icon, and from here, select location. Now, there's a couple of things you can do here. You can click on the send your current location, and that's just going to send your fixed location of where you're currently at. Another thing you can do is click on the plus icon and back to location, and you can choose to select one of the locations that are listed down below. You can also use the search box at the top to send a specific location. Or finally, we can click on Share Live Location, click on OK, and you need to make sure you have your location settings enabled. So if you don't already, just click on the settings button, click on Location, and make sure to set this to always, and then head back over to the WhatsApp application, and you can decide how long you want to share your location for. So I'm just going to set this to 15 minutes and press share. And what that's going to do is share your live location, which can be useful if you're moving about, if you're on the road. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.